So my outfit looks like this. I'm just wearing a pair of leggings, my little coin purse that has my credit cards, my glasses, and just like a white sport bra, and then this denim jacket over on top. It's a little bit hot. I really don't know why I'm wearing this, but I just don't want to be like shoulders, you know. So I want to go to Target today to buy some curtains. I really wanted to change up my room and kind of get a curtain that will cover the wall. This is like my first time trying anything with like home decor and stuff. We're just gonna see how it goes, because again, it is my first time trying this kind of thing out. But yeah, let's just head over to Target. I wanted to do the curtain wall, and then I have like another note that I wanted to do, so we'll just see what Target has, and then yeah, we'll go from there. Oh, I wanted to get some frames for some photos that I have, so that I can hang those up on the wall as well. So if you're following me on Instagram, you would know that actually I've already put my curtain up, and it's been a while since I filmed this, but I just still wanted to show you guys on my YouTube channel how you can DIY your own curtain wall even if you don't have rods. So I saw like the sheer curtain. I saw that the Room Essentials line had some really inexpensive one. They were like $4.99. And the Threshold line is a little bit more expensive. I think it was a 64-inch or 84, I'm not sure, but I got the longest one. So just got back and I bought 4 sheer curtains, as you saw in that clip. I also walked by the picture frame section. I got 3 of these white picture frames for $4 each, which I thought was a pretty good deal, because like, I don't know, it'll match my photos in my wall really well. And then I also got this like little jar thing for $1.99. Yeah, that is everything I got, and my total came out to $37.18, which is kind of steep, I know, but I feel like it'll all be stuff that I'm gonna use, and it'll be perfect for like my backdrop and everything like that. So let's go home and set that up. Vision is to turn this wall into like my backdrop area where I film my outfits. So I wanted to hang the curtains along the top there, but I feel like it's gonna be quite short. So we'll have to see, we'll have to figure something out. I want to put the Audrey Hepburn pictures up here right above my desk area, which is a mess. But I don't know whether I should do that or if I should turn my backdrop into this side of the wall here. The lighting just all comes from here, so that's why I'm like, you know, should I put it on this side, or yeah, I haven't thought through the entire thing yet. So I wanted to talk through how I did this sheer curtain wall thing. I took push pins and I pushed them into the wall because I didn't have a curtain rod, and no curtain rod would be long enough to go through this entire wall, or it would have been really expensive. So I just made sure that it matched the floor length a little bit above my bottom trim of the floor, and then I just pushed the pins into the wall. After my mom saw this, she kind of got, you know, a little annoyed, but I told her that if we ever moved, I would just put putty over it and clean it myself. But yeah, I just did this all along this wall here and the wall to the left as well. Here's the completed look. I think with a little bit of steaming and over time, it'll look much more dreamy. But I am going to now go ahead and I'm gonna do the photo frames. So here are the 3 photos. They're all of Audrey Hepburn in Breakfast at Tiffany's and different scenes, and they're so iconic, and I wanted to put them into frames and then either hang them up on this blank wall here. I've got also another black and white photo of Paris over here, which I thought was so dreamy, so I'm thinking, should I either make this whole wall a collage, or should I set it up over here on this wall? I'm gonna first put these in there, and then we'll kind of scope out the situation. So after a lot of contemplation, I felt like putting it on my desk was the best place, especially when I'm filming videos. I wanted it to be in the background somewhere. So I just put them all around where I would be filming my backdrop, and I loved how my Paris photo that I already had went really well with like the black and white photos of Breakfast at Tiffany's. I love this one from the scene where she sings Moon River. So those are the 3 frames. I just got done with work at Victoria's Secret, and there was a Bath & Body Works next to my store, so I just stopped in, got some candles to decorate the office. I'm looking for like a flannel-y, blanket-y type of thing, like a throw that's gonna be like a cream plaid versus like a typical like red and navy like tartan print. So I'm gonna see if like Home Goods has anything. I don't want any like decor types of things. I'm not looking for that, but I definitely think a nice throw blanket would be nice just when it gets cold in the office. I'm also gonna try and see if there's any like just like pine cones and things, I don't know, to like fill the vases, or like a plant or something. So we'll go see. So I went into Sears. I know Sears, like what? But I saw some like cool stuff. I don't know if you guys are into these, but I got these shoes. The shoes I was wearing, I saw the exact same pair at Sears, so shows how fashionable I am. I also saw this like jacket thing, this Sherpa jacket. It was amazing, but I didn't end up buying it because it was a little too expensive. There was some like awesome basic hats, like black and beige hats, some cute little visors, and they had these really cool like leopard thin belts. I didn't get any because I felt like they wouldn't go around my waist if I were to wear them, but I thought it was kind of cute. I also saw these notepads and all this like stationery that I was super obsessed with. I didn't need it, so I didn't end up buying any, but I thought this was super cute. I also saw some like books and notebooks and different things like that, and then I ended up purchasing the camel sweater, and I tried on the dog one. It was really cute. You guys see that was like $65, but I got it 40% off. So this is the one with the dog on it, and I thought it was really cute with like a pair of jeans or maybe like high-waisted culottes, but I honestly thought I'd get more wear out of the camel one because like I'm not gonna really go out and wear a dog on my shirt. And then this is what the Sherpa hoodie looked like. It has like a strange fit, I'm not gonna lie, but it's reversible, so you get 2 jackets in one. And I thought I would wear it just in the office, but I decided not to get it. And then I went into Home Goods to try and find like a pillow or a throw or something, and it was actually really hard. I think maybe Target has some better options, but I don't know. I just didn't find that great of stuff in Home Goods. I saw these blankets, which were super soft, but didn't think I needed it. This is what my desk currently looks like. I've got my clock and my candle burning there. I want to change this out with a like a broom almost, or some sort of weeds, something to make it look more fall, because I feel like that looks a little bit spring. And then I've got my laptop. I also have over here my other candle, the hot cocoa and cream, my Audrey Hepburn picture. I've got some pumpkins right over here, my glasses. In terms of this corner right now, all I have is this like dinky little pumpkin. I really need some more ideas. I also put my scarf on the back side of my chair because I felt like this scarf was very fall inspired. So I need to look through Pinterest and take a look at some more ideas. I look so sweaty, oh my gosh. I definitely need to look through Pinterest and just kind of see what other fall decorations I can do, especially because I'm on a budget. Like, I don't want to spend money on some stuff like on fall decor that I know I'm not going to use ever again. So I feel like the pumpkins, I don't mind spending a couple of bucks on, just because pumpkins are like those seasonal types of things. The candles, I know I'm going to get a lot of use out of, but other than that, I'm still going to think like how I can keep decorating my room. I was thinking maybe like doing something along the trim at the top here. I definitely want to get like more shelving situation, especially for over on this side. I think like a little shelf in this area would be kind of cute. Or on the opposite side, this is where my clothing rack is. I was thinking like some sort of like shelving or like a tall mirror of some sort over on that side. And it's just got my clothing rack over here. So still a bit boring. My office is coming together, but that is the end of today's video. I have just been so busy this last week. Like, it's just been such a hard week for me. I worked every single day of this week and I just need a break. Like, I normally don't work that many hours at Victoria's Secret, but it really took a toll on my body, especially because I think I'm going to start, you know, the time of the month soon, and I don't know, like, I just feel like this week was extra hard, like, blogging and staying on top of my YouTube. So please forgive me, like, for putting up a late video and stuff, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you learned something new, please give it a thumbs up. I'm trying really hard, I hope you can see that, and I really want to keep putting out good quality content for you guys, so make sure you guys stay tuned on my channel, and I'll talk to you guys in my next one. Bye!